Hey guys, it's Blaine Sander, and today I'm putting out swarm traps to catch honeybees. Honeybee swarms create new colonies. The hive creates a new queen. The old queen leaves and takes about 1/3 of the honeybees with her to start this new colony. And these swarm traps I put out, I can often attract them to it. You want to make this width the exact same width as your Lancashire hive, which is about 19 7/8. I like to also make it about 18 inches high and enough depth here for about 5 frames, which is probably about 7 3/8. About 5 inches or so from the bottom, I like to cut a 3/8 inch wide slot, about 4 or 5 inches wide for the bees to get in. I like to start out at least with the middle one with drone comb, and the other ones on each side you can just use empty foundation. The lid I made is just a board that you can screw on top to cover it up. I added a board to the back of it with a hole in it so I can easily hang it on a nail or a screw up in the tree. And then I took a ratchet strap and I wrapped a ratchet strap around it. I'm using Swarm Commander as an attractant. What I normally do, I take the lid off, I dip a small Q-tip in it, and all I do is I put a little bit on top of the frame, also a little bit around the entrance, and then I just have a plastic bag. I just drop this in and I leave it open just a tiny bit, and then I drop this down inside. This helps it to last a little longer so it don't evaporate as quick being inside that plastic bag. You're going to want to hang this about 10 to 12 feet off the ground. You want to find the biggest tree in an open area. Last year this tree we're looking at, I caught 3 swarms out of it. I hung it, the box, about right here, about 12 feet off the ground. Hey guys, I got the swarm box hung behind me. Just a matter of waiting on the swarm now. Our swarms here where I live in Pennsylvania are usually in mid-May when the temperature hit about 80 degrees. When scout bees start showing up and when I get a swarm in, I'd film another video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the woods.